Welcome to the Falcon SE camping TV range. Nowadays, having a TV in your van is an essential part of camping to keep the whole family entertained. The Falcon SE camping TV range is a budget-friendly solution that offers all the essentials needed when camping. Coming in 5 different sizes, 16-inch, 19-inch, 22-inch, 24-inch and 27-inch, you can find the perfect size to suit your van. With 178 degrees viewing angles, a clear image can be appreciated from any angle, a key feature for close environments like caravans or motorhomes where you are restricted as to where you can locate your TV. Built-in speakers deliver high-quality sound, but if you are looking to enhance your audio experience, the built-in Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect a Bluetooth speaker to improve the audio experience, or headphones, so you can enjoy your movie while your partner reads a book next to you. With a built-in terrestrial and satellite receiver, you can use your digital TV antenna or satellite dish to stay up to date with live TV. Compatible with EasyFind technology, you can connect your EasyFind satellite dish for a simple setup. Alternatively, if you are planning on camping in a remote area where you may struggle to get any signal, the built-in DVD player guarantees you will have some form of entertainment. Able to run on 12 volts, 24 volts and 240 volts, you can use your TV off as well as on the grid. 2 HDMI inputs allow you to plug in your laptop or Fire Stick to add smart features. 2 USB ports allow you to record and play videos and music straight from the TV. The TV comes with a stand mount or can be mounted on the wall with a standard VESA bracket. Click the link in the description to take you to our website and choose your size. Visit Falcon at the show to earn yourself a free soundbar or set of headphones when purchasing your new TV. Life made easy by Falcon.